Hi, Namaskar. My name is Gaurav Bajaj and I am from India. First of all, I would like to welcome you on this beautiful session. And secondly, I want to promise you that next 45 to 60 minutes, if you listen to the content of this video carefully, then this content has the capability to not only transform your life, your family life, but even your coming generations, my dear friends. And why I am saying so? Because there are so many success stories we have today that because of this session, people have transformed their life. And second good news is today we have on board with us a high performance coach, mentor, trainer, best selling author of 2 books, Mr. Deepak Bajaj with us. He has got a very big brand in entire direct selling industry, my dear friends. And today there are lakhs of people who are listening to him, watching him on social media and following him. So we are very, very lucky that today he is gonna with us in the end of this session. And now what is that so important to us for which we are fighting hard in life? So this is my question to you. What is something for which you are fighting hard? You may be a student, housewife, a professional, or maybe a self-employed guy. You may be owning a business of your own. So, but what is one thing for which we are fighting? That is happiness, my dear friends. That is success. And success means different to different individuals. I've been into this business for a decade now, and in last 10 years, I have met lakhs of people. And when I talk about happiness to them, then there are different answers, right? For few people, earning income and getting rich and famous is success. Whereas for some other people, having good health means success. Few people want to become rich and famous. Few people want to live a good life, right? Few people want to help others also. Few people want their dream cars, villas, home. They want to spend time with the family. That is also definition of success to few people. But you know, one thing is common between all these reasons, and that is, you know what? Wealth. Yes, money. If you have wealth and money, then you can achieve all these things, my dear friends. And if we are talking about money and wealth, then there is one guy who can help us a lot, and his name is Mr. Robert T. Kiyosaki. And you know, he says there are 4 legal ways of making the money all over the world. E are employees. People who are into government job, private jobs, and working hard from 9 to 5 in their jobs. I have seen my mother working for 27 years in a government job. Morning 9 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock schedule I have seen, working very, very hard. There are second type of people, self-employed. They are owning a small business, or they are not working for somebody else, they are working for themselves, like doctors, lawyers, chartered accountant, real estate consultant, agents, advisors. 95% of world's money is on left hand side, my dear friends. Wherever, if we see B means big businessman, people like Tata, Birla, Ambanis. And fourth type of making the money is investor, people who have got huge money. They will simply invest into stock market, property, or maybe some new business venture, and they are not working for money, money is working for them. And they are hardly 5% and even less than that. Now there are 3 surprising facts about these people. Based on their lifestyle, he has categorized them in 2 categories. One is left hand side, E and S, and one is right hand side, B and I. If we talk about left hand side people, right, they are more in numbers, but they just own small amount of money. But if we talk about education qualification, big degrees, right, all the scientists, doctors, our professors, everybody is here, my dear friends. Big qualifications, right? However, here we have some people who were not able to clear their schools and even colleges also. Due to lack of financial situation, they were not even able to go to colleges also. If we talk about left hand side people, they are working hard. Generation after generation, if I talk you, right, and if I ask you how many people, if you see in both the categories, where there are people who are working hard, left hand side people, they are working hard generation after generation. However, right hand side people, one generation is doing something, right, so that even the further generations that are coming, even if they are not working, they are making the money. So now the point is, you, me, and even everybody wants to be on right hand side. But we need to understand what is something that can take us from left hand side to right hand side. So Mr. Robert T. Kiyosaki did a research on most successful thousands of people, and his study says there are 3 reasons because of which people, even after spending their entire life, remains on left hand side and not able to go on right hand side. And there are 3 reasons to it because of which this happens. And you know what are those 3 reasons? First of all, if you and me are choosing a way to be in job or self-employed, you and me have to work individual effort. We have to put all the life. Now due to individual effort, your and my income will be limited. You know, in job, a person is fighting hard for entire 1 year just for the sake of 5% increment or 10% increment. I have seen my mom also working for 27 years. Myself have worked with a US based company, right, for 3 years, and I have seen entire year we are trying to prove ourselves for just one promotion or one increment, my dear friend. There may be some students with us today in this session, and I would like to ask them one thing: why our parents are asking you to study hard and hard, hard and hard? You know why? So that we get a good job. Our system is like this only. In order to become successful in life, in order to fulfill all the dreams, there is only one way: you study hard, hard, hard. But when we study hard, get good degrees, we come to know that we are on left hand side, man. The way we are working will take us to right hand side, not the way we were learning and we are taking degrees in the colleges. And third thing is active source of income. Till the time we are working in a job or a shop, we are getting the money. The day we will stop doing it, we will stop making the money also. But when we study right hand side people, whatever they do, they start making a team right from day one. And they keep on increasing the number of people in their team, and due to which they are not working today for 10 hours or 12 hours, they are working for lakhs of hours. Because they have, let's suppose 10,000 people, 1 lakh people, and everybody is coming to them and giving their 10 hours. So 1 lakh people, if they have into 10 lakh working hours in a day, so their income will not be dependent on their 10 hours, their income gonna be dependent on 10 lakh hours, my dear friends. So that's the reason people are not able to beat them, because they are not good in terms of talent, personality, attitude. They are good in terms of their way of working, my dear friends. You know, the biggest problem with the people today is they want to be here, but they are working like these people. So you want to work like them and you want to be here. This is not at all possible. You have to change the way you are thinking, and you have to change the way you are working, my dear friends. But the biggest issue is whenever anybody thinks of coming from left to right hand side, then he thinks about the way he will be arranging the money. Because if we want to work like this, then we need money, we need expertise, we need some kind of extra talent, right? When I was very young in my life, and I used to ask my mom, the uncle who is holding this big house, big car, what he is doing in life? Then my mom used to reply, he is doing business. And then I used to ask my mom, why we are not doing business? And my mom used to tell me, for business you need big money, and we don't have big money. But now time is changing, my dear friends. Those days are gone when we need to have crores of money, big experience. We need to take big risk to become a big person in life. Now we are living in age of technology. Now we are living in 2020, my dear friends. There are so many ways that it can be done, and if this is the constraint, then there is only one best way of doing it, right? And that is direct selling, my dear friends. Yes, direct selling is one way in which you can do what left hand side people were doing. You can create a team, you can increase your number of hours, right? And it will become a passive source of income for you. Means one day, even if you are not on this earth, still your nominee will be getting the entire money and entire benefit of your those many hours and those many team that you have created, my dear friends, right? So we call it direct selling. If you talk about direct selling in 1 minute, then it's very, very simple. You and me are consumer. We never go to factory to take any of the products. There is a channel of retailer, wholesaler, distributors, celebrities, TV, newspaper, magazine, advertisement, which takes almost 40 to 70% of the money, and a product that is manufactured at the rate, let's suppose 10 rupees, becomes 100 rupees worth or 200 rupees that customer is paying. Now, however, in a direct selling model, same factory producing the same products is reaching to the same customer, but through you, me and our team, and that's the reason that up to 70% of margin will be distributed between the people who are involved into this. And this is a very beautiful model if you see all over the world. There are one of the biggest investor, Mr. Warren Buffett, you must have heard. He is investing so much of money into new companies. Even today's president of America and the former president of America, both are supporting direct selling in a big way. And Mr. Bill Gates, right, he's a big businessman supporting network marketing in a very, very big way, my dear friends. And this is Indian scenario. Today newspapers are telling, facts are telling that next $1 trillion industry is healthcare, my dear friends, right? And direct selling is going to play a bigger role in this $1 trillion industry. 18 million youth will be coming into direct selling business in 2025. That means after completing the graduation, post-graduation, so many people, they will not be going into jobs and self-employment, they will be coming into network marketing only. So if these are the facts, then why not we should become a smart person and start doing this business right away when we know these facts, right? And this is called a vision in life, that you are able to see something that people will see after 4, 5 years or 10 years down the line, my dear friends, right? So if you talk about few facts about direct selling industry, right, it's happening in America for last almost 80 years. But we in India are like almost 50 years behind them. 1996 it was started, and government gave some guidelines in September 2016 about network marketing. It's close to $200 billion worldwide industry today, network marketing, my dear friends, right? And I would like to introduce you to the most leading and very powerful platform in direct selling in India, that is MI Lifestyle Marketing Global Private Limited. And today even our Prime Minister is talking about Atmanirbhar Baniye, become self-independent. And today I am proud of MI Lifestyle and my decision that not only today I have become self-independent, however I have helped lakhs of people, thousands of people to become self-independent through direct selling opportunity, my dear friends. And the reason this company is doing good in the market, right, good with the people, we have got associated a MOU with the government of India, Skill India initiative. You must have heard Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, my dear friends. So company is working very aggressively, and if we try to understand what's the future of your career, if you are planning to do this business as a part-time, or if you are planning to do this business as full-time, then your future is 200% sure, because in MI Lifestyle we are focusing on wellness and FMCG industry. In coronavirus days, we have heard of this term essentials and non-essentials, right? So the best part is we are working in the essential market, my dear friend. So there was no recession during the lockdown also, and there is no chances of recession in coming years, my dear friends, because we are working with the best industry. One is healthcare and wellness, and second is fast moving consumer goods. Means soap, shampoo, hair oil, toothpaste, facial, all these products are needed at any cost. Does not matter whatever is happening outside the world, my dear friends, right? And if we talk about health and wellness, and if I talk about this is next $1 trillion industry in India. And there are so many facts and figures that are telling this is the best time if you and me want to enter into healthcare industry, wellness industry, and through direct selling is super awesome, right? These are the few factors if we see because of which health is deteriorating, right? There are these factors which are in our control, and these are the factors like adulteration, use of pesticides, pollution, air and water pollution, that is not in our direct control. So because of these both the reason, in coming years you will see this industry as the topmost industry, my dear friends. And even what we were expecting to happen in 2025, 2030 and 40, now it's happening little early, my dear friend, due to corona situation. People have understood the importance of immunity, right? And second, a second source of income in life, and this business opportunity is giving both the things to the people who are getting associated with this opportunity, my dear friends, right? So we are working on prevention is better than cure methodology, and I would like to introduce you some powerful brands in Indian industry today, because now we need to become vocal for local. So here I present the best healthcare brand in India, Element Wellness. Then we have On and On, we have New Star, MI Home, Ahar. All these brands are made in India, my dear friends. And we are giving very good quality at affordable prices because we have a team of scientists working with us. If you talk about Dr. D.B.N. Narayana, he is called father of modern Ayurveda India with 40 plus years of experience. He is Mr. K.C. Govendon. He is PhD from IIT. You may not have heard their names, but they have worked with brands like Dabur, Ranbaxy, Balsara, Himalaya, and that also at director position in research and development. These are more people in our team. From IIM Calcutta, Mr. K.K. Rajesh. Then we have Mr. Dr. Sharma with us, Dr. Suresh with us, who have written domestic and international journal also, and they have represented Ministry of Ayush and WHO on international front, my dear friends. So we have such a strong team of doctors, and Google is talking so many things about these people who are behind these products and brands. So result will come for sure, there is no doubt about it. These are best quality products, and we have got all the certifications, and above everything we have premium Ayush certified. You may have heard our Prime Minister Mr. Modi telling that we must follow Ministry of Ayush guidelines. You will feel glad to know that the products that I will be showing you on next slide, they are premium Ayush certified. Food Safety and Standard Authority of India license, and our most selling product is certified for highest oxygen radical absorption capacity. It's the best antioxidant in the world by Californian lab, my dear friends, right? If we talk quickly about the products, we can find these details easily on my YouTube channel also, right? I will be telling about one liner about these products, because today we not only need to focus on the product but on to the opportunity also, for which we are working day and night hard, my dear friends, right? So if we talk about, we have products related to liver, we have products related to women monthly hormonal cycle, we have products related to cough, right? We have products related to blood purification, massage oils, then natural painkiller also we have. Then we have immunity booster, Immuno 3, eyes and digestion ko proper rakhne ke liye. We have got Well Heart to keep your heart healthy. Then we have daily detox, body detoxification concept. Everybody is looking for immunity and body detoxification, and we are already placed with best healthcare brand at this moment, my dear friends. So we are lucky enough. Then we have below 37 Livogain, Ashwagandha based products also. Then for 12 months you can use this product to increase your immunity, that is Kavach Prash. For stones we have a product to increase the performance and erection in men. We have Man Shakti Man. In order to increase the iron level, we have a feeling syrup and capsules. For obesity, weight management is one of the very big market in India. Then for calcium, and it's a natural, you can say basically, there are people who are not able to take their food on time and it does not have all the nutrients. So this product can complement all those things. Then the most selling product in our industry, that is the best antioxidant on earth available, my dear friends, Amla Noni Aloe Vera plus 13 more berries, total 16 unique things are there in this product. Berries concentrated juice, because of the antioxidant capacity, it helping to increase your immunity at a very bigger level, my dear friends. Then we have a protein powder. Our entire body is made up of protein, right? And we all must use protein these days, very important. Then for kids, it's like a boon product, right? You can say all the minerals and vitamins are there in this product. Then for sugar, diabetes, we have a very big product. It's again a very big market, you know, sugar and diabetes. Then we have such products, they are not luxury, they are necessity in life, and they are super essentials. Soap, shampoo, hair oil, toothpaste, anti-aging creams, different types of lotions, different types of toothpaste. We have 4 types of face washes, 4 types of toothpaste. We have entire range covering lower, middle and higher class in India. So our management vision is, if we are working, my dear friends, then we should not come back empty handed. If you are talking to someone, then he should be automatically feel that he must be part of this family. Under eye gel we have, for acne, pimples, skin we have a different face wash, anti-aging cream, hand wash. Then we have different shampoos, hair oil, fairness cream, and then again one of the highest selling product in our list, soap free face wash. We have Radiant Glow, wound healing cream, Novedna gel, red herbal paste, white herbal paste, right, which are marvelous products. Everybody needs these products, my dear friends. Then the kind of products we have are needed in everyday life. We have all the spices with us. We have an entire complete range of you can say cleaners, right? Then we have soaps, talcum powder, everything that you can think of. And we are helping our nation, being an agriculture country. Organic farming products are there with us, right, that are helping to grow the crops organically. So this list will not end. Reason being, we have a team of topmost scientists with us who are working day and night, and even in the lockdown time also, you know, in next 6 to 8 months we are planning to bring 24 new products, my dear friends, and these are the recently added products in the list. So one thing is pretty clear, this company is very aggressive, totally made in India, and is helping so many people, not only in terms of money, but in order to keep you healthy, your immunity at a higher level. We are working day and night. Now the last point that comes is what I need to do to become part of it. You will be glad to know that you are working on this concept already. You are already doing direct selling, you know, you are already doing multi-level marketing, but the fact is you are not getting paid for that. You are doing it for free. But now if you want, you can start making lakhs and crores of income also by doing it in an organized manner. What you are doing already, you are purchasing the product, using the products and recommending to others, right? And now if we can do it for these brands, then we can make that 60 to 70% profit that some selected people are making in traditional market. And these are the multiple benefits that you're gonna get in case you take a decision to change your life today, my dear friends, right? Because it's a life-changing opportunity. So these are the different income benefits, and let's try to understand in next 10 minutes what all benefits you will be getting. First of all, see, you may have heard of this term a lot, retail. And this is our first benefit, retail profit. Earlier, the shopkeeper used to get all the benefits, that retailer, wholesaler benefit, because he is selling the product. He is selling the product on MRP, but he is not getting this product on MRP. He is getting a discounted price called DP, distributor price, and he is selling to you and me, we are customer, on MRP or little lesser than that. Ultimately, he is making that 20-40%, my dear friends. Now the first benefit that MI Lifestyle platform is giving you is all this benefit will be given to you. You know why? Because these products will be billed to you on distributor price. So up to the 40 to 50% margin, whatever margin we have in the product, will be given to you. So now, even if for your self buying of these products, you will start making money. Is not that amazing? And if you start telling to people the way you were telling earlier, right, you will start making more money, my dear friends. So this is the first powerful income. Now, in order to understand the incomes onwards, we need to understand a term called BV. This is called business volume. So if you talk about brands like Elements and on, they have 75% business volume. That means if I am buying products of 1000, I will get 750 business volume. If I am buying products of 10,000, I am getting 7,500 business volume. And our second income is sales turnover bonus, which is 12% of matching business volume. Matching business volume, let's try to understand how a business operates in the open market. Right, there you have customers, repeated customers, there you have small distributors, wholesalers, bigger distributors like this. Similarly, here also we're gonna create a team, and we are going to help you in a very, very big way, because you may be doing it for the first time. So don't worry on that part, just try to understand the concept, and in the end I will tell you a beautiful thing that will help you to build career in this business, right? So this is the way. There are so many ways of making this business. Ultimately, company has divided your business into two zones, and this is your center line. One is your organization 1 and one is your organization 2. You can create as many distributors, you can create as many customers and repeated customers, as many you wish to be. Ultimately, they will be calculating the business volume in your left, business volume in your right. Your and your team's volume will be accumulated, and you will be given 12% of matching business volume. And this will be your weekly income. Means you can make income every week, right? How? For example, in your left, somebody started with 11,000, or you took the products of 11,000, then 75%, 8250 BV will be there. 8250 BV will be there in right. So matching will be 8250, and 12% you will that will be 990 rupees of that 1 week. And if we are making 20,000 BVs in left, and our team together making 20,000 BVs on organization 2, so matched will be 20,000, 12%, 2,400 income. So now you are getting repeated orders, right? People who are using these products will ask again. Even in our family also, we will demand these products again and again. Plus we can make a team also, because everybody is looking for extra source of income these days. We just need to be vocal for local, right? And let's suppose in any X week you have got 1 lakh group business volume in organization 1, 2 lakh group business volume in your right. So matched business volume is 1 lakh, so 12% is 12,000 rupees. Now your team is increasing, so you cannot stop it now, it will go in lakhs now, right? And the best part is carry forward facility here, because you have matched 1 lakh, so the remaining 1 lakh will be carry forward, and it will be added to your next week or next month volume easily, my dear friends, right? So there is no targets, no conditions, and carry forward will be there, because company knows it's either your hard work or your team hard work. So now let's suppose in any week 5 lakh to 4 lakh business volume is coming, so that 1 lakh for which you have not got the benefit will be added here, and now it will be counted at combined 5 lakh, and you will be getting 1 week income of that week as 60,000 rupees. You know, when I started this business, I was getting close to this much salary in my job. 70,000 salary I was getting, and I was seeing this business, right? So first of all, I was not able to believe that this much money can come in a week. Because in job, I need to work for maybe some 5 to 10 years to double my income, triple my income 4 times, right, in job. But in this business, I was able to see that if I am increasing my team, so what I will be able to achieve in next 30 years can be done in 2 to 3 years also. Yes, this is definitely possible, because in job, I will be working all alone, but in this business right from day one I am making a team, the way right hand side successful people used to do, my dear friends, right? So let's move ahead. And there are so many other incomes also, that is like monthly rewards for you. From 2% to 7% of your team business volume will be given to you once you become a star silver, and all the BVs will be accumulated, and there is no timeline when you can achieve this level. So sooner or later, I am sure, because there is no condition, you will get this accumulation of BV, and this extra income will be started. In order to enhance and in order to appreciate the people who are working with a target, company is giving this extra performance bonus on monthly basis, an extra loyalty bonus if you take care of your existing customers, right? Then a very prestigious position called National Team Coordinator. Royalty incomes are also extra started once you become a diamond and above, and rewards and awards. You can earn not only laptop, bike, cars, but even house also from here if you make up a mind and work with a proper goal, my dear friends, right? And this works on a power of compounding. As I said earlier, do you remember the question that we used to solve in school days? One person is breaking the wall in 100 days. If 10 people start working on that, then that wall will be broken in 100 divided by 10. That means 10 days. And let's suppose if 100 people start doing it, that work can be done in 1 day, my dear friends. You know, we learned everything in school, but when we came to practical life, we forget everything, because there was the only way of making the money: good grades, good education, and good job, right? And good job can only create followers, and you can only take care of yourself. You cannot help anybody else, my dear friends. So this is the business, this is the concept that work on multiplication and can give you huge money, because right from day one you are making a team. Now the thing is, you will be successful in this business. That matters on two things. One, you should get with the topmost platform, right? So here we have MI Lifestyle that has got best products in the industry with highest BV distribution, right? Well-known team of scientists that is working the brain behind these products, and we are premium Ayush certified, and our manufacturers are world class. They are older than the entire network marketing industry in India, my dear friends. So quality, no compromise. Then you have a sponsor who is bringing you into this business. But here we have Harvest Success Academy also. That is a education system from MI Lifestyle. That means you are getting two double support, double education system. So your growth also will be doubled. And I have already told you about myself. I am a Gaurav Bajaj. I am not like a born networker, born in a middle class family where entire focus was on studies so that I become an engineer and I become successful in life. But I think because of my dreams, God sent this beautiful opportunity in my life, right? And today, not only me, my family, but I am able to see my entire generation has changed, my dear friend, due to this wonderful opportunity. And I consider it as the beginning. I've been to so many countries I even can't remember, and I can't even count, that due to this business not only I am getting money, but I am getting time freedom also, my dear friend. So life is very big, very powerful. God has sent us with one purpose. I started my journey with a 60,000 brand new motorcycle, and today I am owning cars worth more than 2 crores, my dear friends. If I would have been in my job for next 30 years, this was not at all possible. This business made it possible for me. And if a person like me can do, I can assure you, my dear friends, you can also do. No matters you are a housewife, professional, corporate guy, or a shopkeeper, or maybe you are studying right now in your college and you are not even 18-year-old today to get eligible to start this business on your name. But it does not matter. When there is a will, there is definitely a way. So even if you are studying today, even if you are just college pass out or drop out and looking to make a career, then I would like to definitely recommend you to work here, because you not only need a strong platform to make a career, you need strong people also who have already made their career in direct selling industry, my dear friend. And you and me are anyway double lucky. You know why? Because we have the best products in the industry, best income model, best platform. Apart from that, we have company's education system, Harvest Success Academy, and this support system is super awesome. If we want to become big in life, we definitely need a coach in life, my dear friends. Sachin Tendulkar became Sachin Tendulkar because of a coach, right? In Olympics, we see there are people who are fighting for gold medal and they practice for so many years, and behind every successful person there is a coach, my dear friends. Now I want to ask you only one thing: who are your topmost people around which you are building your life? Who are your topmost consultant, advisors, whom you are associating with? I was in Singapore last year with Mr. Tony Robbins program. He came to Asia for the first time, and I attended that program for 4 days. And Mr. Tony Robbins was saying one thing: in life you will reach where your average, like your success in your life depends on, and you will become average of topmost 5 people you gonna spend your life with, right? So you just start thinking you are with the left hand side people who are fighting hard to make 10,000, 50,000 in life, and you want to become on right hand side. So you definitely need guidance and association of people who are really working on right hand side model, my dear friends. अगर ज़िंदगी के अंदर मैं कुछ ऐसा करना चाहता हूँ जो मेरे पास नहीं है, तो मुझे काम भी ऐसा करना पड़ेगा जो आज से पहले मैंने नहीं किया. And in physics, we were being told action and reactions are equal and opposite. If I want something in my life that I don't have, then I have to do something that I have not done before, my dear friends. And this could be that business that's gonna change your life forever. And I highly recommend to you to take a decision today. This decision has got a very, very big power, right? One decision can change your entire life. There was one boy who was filling petrol and diesel in people's cars and bikes few years back in his life, right? His dream was not to own a motorcycle, to own a car, or to even own a petrol pump. His decision, his dream was to own a refinery from where this oil is coming, and today we know him by the name of Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani. So today I can't tell you you will become Dhirubhai Ambani or not, but I can assure you, for your entire family, you will definitely 200% will become Dhirubhai Ambani, right? For your entire family, my dear friend. So my best wishes are there with you. Thanks for listening to you. And now let's invite Deepak sir and listen all the top success secrets and how you and me can become successful in life. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, hope you're doing fantastic. This is Deepak Bajaj, and this lovely business that you have seen just now, I got a chance to got into this lovely business in June 2007. And you know, those days when I got into this business, I was working as a regional manager in a multinational automobile company. My wife, she was working as a scientist with Government of India, and somebody introduced this business to us in 2006, exactly May 2006. And we started this business actually in June 2007. So what we were doing in those 13 months? In those 13 months, we were doing the same thing that lakhs of people do every single day. You know, we were analyzing, we were thinking about the business, or maybe we had lack of knowledge, lack of understanding about the business. We never believed that this business is for us. We thought that this kind of businesses don't work. This is a scam, this is a scheme, this, that, so many things are there. And why have I done MBA from one of the leading management institutes? Why my wife has got, my wife has earned, I'll say, doctor in front of her name if at the end of it, we will be doing this kind of a business. So it took us 13 months really. And I must say our sponsor was really an adamant guy, or maybe really a visionary guy, that he kept on chasing us. And after 13 months, June 2007, we got a chance to see one business program. And in that event, there were a lot of people coming, going on the stage. And it was my first network marketing event that I got a chance to see. And at the end of the program, there was a guy who came for the closing. I was 27-year-old. This guy was also 27-year-old. I did my MBA from a leading management institute. I cleared my CAT exam. Then I got campus placement, and I was working at a very senior position in my company. And my wife, she was also a doctorate in nanotechnology and biochemistry from Delhi University. And both of us put together, whatever money we were making annually, this guy was making just in a month. I was surprised, you know, I was surprised, and to be precise, I was taken aback. I couldn't believe it. And I am also 27-year-old. The other guy is also 27-year-old. I have done so many degrees to my name, and this guy is a simple graduate, belonged to a small town, and he has excelled so much in his life. And then I thought of my childhood dreams. You know, all of us, we have been born and brought up with a lot of dreams. And I always believe, you know, every time a human being is born, God puts seeds of greatness inside them, and God puts, you know, a lot of dreams inside them. I was born in a small village, and then till class 10th, I studied in state-run schools, Hindi medium schools, and I shifted, I think, not less than 5 schools, and I was born and brought up in different villages and towns in Haryana. My dad passed away when I was very young, and my mom started working, and my mom managed the house for both of us and her, like 3 of us together, and my mom was managing. We have seen like financially very tough times, emotionally very tough times. Every month, first of the month, my mom used to get her salary, and by 7th it was all over. And all those days of, you know, adjustments, compromises, squeezing funds, you know, every time we used to postpone things for next month, I used to feel that someday, if I get a chance, I will make sure that nobody in my family faces any financial crunch. And this was there since childhood. You know, I always felt that I will become a big man in my life. And big man means, to be very precise, I wanted to make huge money. I didn't want that there will be a discussion about money, finances on the dining table in our house. I mean, I didn't know we call it financial freedom, but I actually wanted to be financially free. And I was very good in studies, and I thought study is the only way to get financial freedom in those, in my language or in my understanding of those days. And I studied really well. I was a batch topper, got into CAT, cleared my CAT exam, got into MBA college in Manipal. My college today is 16th best MBA college in India. Then I got a campus placement. Then I got into a job. And you know, all this while I was struggling to fulfill that childhood dream that, you know, I wanted to be financially free. My family, I don't have any issue with middle class, but somehow this thing got ingrained inside me and got so much deeply rooted inside me that I'm the last middle class man in my family. After me, there will not be any middle class person. I wanted to live a life of our dreams, you know. And I always felt this one thing, that we are free. 1947, we are free. But I never understood the meaning of freedom, and I always puzzled about this, that I can't drive the car I want to drive. I can't eat in the places I want to eat. You know, I'm not staying in my dream house. I am not living the lifestyle I wanted to live. Then what is freedom? 2007, when I was sitting in that program, all these answers, you know, one by one, they started coming to me. And I got a solution to my childhood problem, that how can I be financially free? And I realized that day, political freedom is useless without financial freedom. Political freedom is waste without financial freedom. And now I got one person, I knew now one person that in my language was financially free. And I decided to just take off with this business, started my business. And I was in Chandigarh that time when we started this business. We worked really hard. I was in a job, and you understand private jobs, and when you are at a senior position, you are not working 6 or 8 hours, you're literally working 12 hours, 14 hours a day. And I was working 12, 14 hours a day practically, never took a day off, you know, work really crazy. That's why at the age of 25, I became regional manager in that company. And I was probably one of the youngest guys to hold that position. And you know, whatever anybody could dream of, I was getting all of it. But you know, that one gap was there that I wanted to fulfill, and in this business I got that gap, that I wanted to be financially free, and this business was there that could give me financial abundance. So we started off and made a lot of mistakes basically, and a lot of first batch of people whom I invited for the program, they didn't even turn up. So if you are into network marketing, you know network marketing, we call a hot category list, warm category list, cold category list, this and that. So a lot of my first list people, they didn't start business with me. But I didn't want to quit this business. A lot of times were there when I felt like quitting it, but you know, quitting this business means quitting my childhood dreams. And I didn't want to quit on my childhood dreams. I spoke to my upline, he invited me to southern India. He was from Kerala. So we went to Kerala, Bangalore, all these places. We saw how the business is being done, how people invite a guest to the event, what's the right way of doing it. We got a lot of basic training programs. And after that, I came back to Chandigarh, started rebuilding my business, and then followed the system. And within 3 months, the business established so beautifully that 28 June 2007, I started my business, and 29 September 2007, exactly after 90 days, I quit my job, my high profile job. I resigned from my job. A lot of fuss, a lot of mess in my house when I resigned my job. You know, nobody was happy in my family. My relatives were pretty upset, and you know, there were a lot of discussions were going on. But I have seen, and I was very clear that this is one business that can fulfill all my dreams, and I decided to take that plunge. And there were some tough times in between. There were some good times. There were not so good times. And I always used to feel, you know, there are 2 kinds of days you get in your life. One, days when you get money, and second are the days when you get your character built. So, you know, whenever my days were not so good, I used to call them character building days. And because of those character building days, because of that vision, and because of following the right system, business established like crazy. And 28 June 2007, we started, and by December 2008, my business was established so beautifully that from January 2009 till this day when I'm shooting this video, in end of the May 2020, this is my 12th year in network marketing when I'm getting passive income. And one record after another, one after the another, we kept on breaking records. We did phenomenal business. 2 years in the business, I got my first Mercedes-Benz. 2009, I got my first Mercedes-Benz, and whatever anybody can dream of, I'm enjoying through this business. If you talk about passive income, literally January 2009 to this day in May 2020, I have been getting passive income constantly, month on month, month on month. I can't say even month on month now, it's month on month, year on year, and now a decade has passed since I'm enjoying that kind of a lifestyle. And when I talk about Mercedes, it's not about Mercedes-Benz, it's about Mercedes-Benz lifestyle. And it's been a decade now since I've been enjoying that kind of a lifestyle. We wanted to travel the world, we wanted to stay in best of the places, we wanted to do best of the things on earth, man. And this business gave me opportunity one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. And I tell you, most of the people, when they started business, the goal is money. But after you get the money, and after you really get into this business, now you fall in love with this business, and then game is not money, my dear friend. Game is freedom. You know, I still remember my days in 2007, 2008. I was 27, 20-year-old, super excited about this business. I was a full-timer, and I used to tell people there are 5 reasons why I got into this business. Reason number 1, money. Reason number 2, money. Reason number 3, money. Reason number 4, some more money. And reason number 5, some more money. But now if I look back at my life, it's not about money alone. Yeah, you can say that since I'm getting passive income for more than 11 years now, I can say all those things. I'm staying in a 10,000 square feet villa in Gurgaon. I have a collection of luxury cars at home. You know, a 2 crore worth of cars are being parked in my garage, you know, underneath this house, in the basement of this house. I have already traveled to 27 countries. My kids, they have traveled to 27 countries. You know, we have been to London, Paris, Switzerland, US, UK, China, Bahamas, Belgium, Germany, South Africa, you name it. They have finished, and best of the best experiences of life. Whatever we wanted to do, we could do it. You know, I have taken my family to LA, maybe Los Angeles, you know, on a stretch limousine. 16 people can sit there, but it was only my family, and I showed them where all this, you know, Hollywood stars, where all they live. I have taken my family on a helicopter ride on Las Vegas, and you know, when I was there, right on that helicopter in this most beautifully lit, sparkling city of Las Vegas in USA, on the helicopter, all those people who said no to me, you know, I just forgot, and I just forgave all those people maybe. We were there in US again, I tell you, and I took my family on a private chartered aircraft to see Grand Canyon. It's one of the natural wonders of the world. I have stayed with my friends in one of the costliest hotels on earth called Burj Al Arab. I mean, one night we stayed and we paid, I think, 5 lakh rupees, and there were Rolls Royce coming to pick us up. You know, all these things in life, you know. I just joined golf, DLF Golf Club, just only for one reason, because I heard that all the big people in life, they play golf. So I also enrolled for it and took membership of that. My family, I took them to Bahamas on one of the most luxurious cruise on earth. And if you go to Bahamas, I mean, it's just heaven, man. So, you know, I told you, it's not about money, my dear friend. It's about freedom. It's about doing whatever you wanted to do in your life. I wanted to do a scuba dive, and I asked people, where can I do it? They said, you can do it in Bali. I went to Bali and did my scuba dive. I asked some people, where is the highest bungee jumping on earth? They said, go to Hong Kong, Macau. In Macau, they do Guinness Book of World Record highest bungee jumping. I just went to Macau to jump from the tower. You know, and I did marathons, and I asked some people, where, you know, tell me about a crazy marathon. They said, go to Norway. And in Norway, there is a marathon called Midnight Sun Marathon. You start running at around 11 o'clock in the night, and there are those a few weeks in Norway when sun doesn't kind of set whole day, and the night 11 o'clock also, it's, I'll not say sunny, but it's like an evening kind of a weather. You don't need lights. And I just went to Norway to run that kind of a, you know, that marathon. And then I asked people, what is the best place to do a skydive? They told me, go to Dubai, and from Dubai you can do a beautiful skydive. I just went to Dubai and did it. You know, this life, my dear friend, is God's gift to us. And what we do with this life is our gift back to God. Again, I'm telling you, it's not about money, my dear friend. It's about living a life of your dreams every single day. You know, the worst thing in life, in Hindi we use a word called kash. What if? I wish I could have done that. I wish I could have done that. I wish I could have done that. No, my dear friends. If you want to kill this I wish from your life, then get into network marketing, my dear friends. In this business, you can do whatever you want to do and whenever you want to do it. You know, you can live your life, not today, not tomorrow, but now itself. Today itself, you can live your life. That is the power of this business, my dear friend. This is phenomenal business, phenomenal, mind-blowing business. 2 years back, I wrote my decade-long journey into network marketing in the form of a book. And 10th of June 2018, we launched that book. And within days of launch of that book, this book rose to bestseller charts on Amazon, and it's almost 2 years now. And in last 2 years now, this book has been continuously on Amazon bestsellers list. I launched second book, Achieve More, Succeed Faster. That book is about why to do this business. My first book is about, it's a grunt of network marketing. Any company on earth, any compensation plan, any income plan, any company, any product. This is the most read, most recommended book, probably in the, India for sure I know, and it's being already translated in 5 languages. We have it in Hindi, English, Tamil, Marathi, and Malayalam. It's already there. Oriya is just coming up next now. It will be launched in Odia also. Then January we launched the book, and the book launching was being done by Honorable Minister of Union Minister of India, Mr. Somnath for Industries, and he came for the inauguration and unveiling of the book. This book is about 31 hidden benefits of direct selling, and I'm the only author on earth who has got 4 books in top 20 books in Amazon Best Business Self-Help category. What else you ask for, my dear friends? You go anywhere and this book is available, and this book has taken me to so many places where I have not been there. People ask me to make a YouTube channel, and I made a YouTube channel, and this channel is being followed in 100+ countries now, and we get millions of views on this channel now, and I think 220+ videos are there on this channel, and we have a family of 4 lakh+ people now. Whatever you ask for, my dear friends, I just want to tell you, whatever you ask for, you can get from this business. Good house you need, a collection of cars you need foreign travels, you need recognitions, you want to be a best-selling author. This business made me a best-selling author. You want to create an influence, you want to influence the world, and whole generation of people you want to impress, you want to influence, you want to impact. This business will give you an opportunity. See, everybody lives for themselves. Everybody lives for themselves. Best of the best people also, talented people, people with huge, immense potential, whole of their lives, they keep working for themselves. You get into this business, you start working for people, you start impacting people, and this is the best thing that can happen to you. When I finished writing my book about 31 hidden benefits of network marketing, after I launched that book, I thought next year probably I'll write another book and it will have another 31 benefits. 13 years I am into network marketing now. I have lived this business now, worked with 8 lakh+ people now, and seen the world of network marketing, seeing the corporate world, seen lakhs of people around me. I am telling you, my dear friend, this is the best opportunity. And in days to come, the potential, if you look at the potential of this business, is going to be huge and phenomenal. Before Corona outbreak, the industry estimates were this business will be 64,000 crore by 2025. 2025, this business will be 64,000 crore business annually. 1.8 crore Indians will be doing this business by 2025, and after this corona outbreak, and after the way things are changing, the way technology is taking over, the way online stuff is taking over, I feel whatever was expected in 2025 will happen in 2023. So far in network marketing, there are leaders who are old timers. They are 15, 20-year-old into the business. I can see now in 2020 a new tribe of leaders will come up because of online technologies, because of social media, because of new paradigms that are being shifting. This business will witness phenomenal growth, and mark my words, whatever was supposed to happen in 2025 will happen in now 2021. This is the golden time now to get into this business, my dear friends. I'm again telling you, mark my words, a new tribe of leaders is gonna emerge who will take over this business, and this industry will have altogether new rules. I can already see it happening. A lot of youth coming into this business and kind of redefining the rules of this business, and I'm so blessed I'll be mentoring this new generation of network marketing entrepreneurs, and together we'll change the game, my dear friend. I'm with you. We will do wonders together, and at every step of your network marketing career, I am there with so many of my tools and so much of my experience by your side to make you a successful network marketer. Keep shining, keep sparkling. Let's be together, and let's make this world a better place together.